Boop, doop. Oh, that, yep. Okay, very nice. Yeah, I think Dua Lipa's safe.
Hi, just wanted to continue the tour of the Grand Floridian by showing you the main lobby. It's very old New England kind of style. I don't even know if I'm saying it correctly, but there's a lot of decorative
Victorian, I think.
Victorian, yes, Victorian style. And you can hear babies crying because this is a Disney.
Yeah, that's actually playing from the speakers.
Yeah. We're just sitting, I checked out. I just wanted to show you some parts of the lobby and also some features and amenities that we were able to get access to. We stayed here for about like 6 days.
Really? We stayed here for 6 days?
Yeah.
Oh wow, I didn't realize.
Riviera will be longer. So we are going resort hopping because there's so many different resorts that Disney Vacation Club offers, and each room is different. We're going to 3 different ones, and today we are going to exit the Grand Floridian. What did I think of it? Well, the rooms that we got were actually newly renovated, so they're really quite nice and it felt really new. So I liked it. I enjoyed it. Pat, what did you think?
Yeah, I mean, I'm not very picky, so I mean, if you liked it, I loved it.
Okay. You can do the check-ins even on your phone, and what you can also do is you can unlock your room using the app, so everything is accessible, and even your magic band is usable everywhere.
Yeah, that was nice.
So what's great is like everything's connected. They're free transportations to the other resort. So for example, you don't need to carry your luggages to the other resort. They're just going to transport it for you, and you can check in later and then they can just bring that up.
So there's bus transpo, and then there's also monorail transpo.
Yeah, there's a monorail right in our resort.
But it's free. Right?
It's free. Everything is free. Like if you want to go to any park, it's free. But it's not free to go to resort. And Lyft is so expensive here, so like I really appreciate that all the transportation is free.
Okay.
It's been a really good experience. It's seamless. It's so easy to pay. It just comes out as one bill because of the magic band. So you use this to scan everything, and then before you are about to check out, you just pay for the balance.
That is magic. Oh, you have to pay. Yeah.
Okay, so Pat's just gonna show you some shots of what
I am.
the lobby looks like.
Ooh. Yeah. Okay, we'll take some shots and go. Hey, Winnie. Lower some more. Squat. Your butt. Yes. There you go. There. Nice. Sandy Cove, gifts and Sunday.
A lot of gift shops here for a good reason. So you keep spending your money.
Clink. All right, let's go.
Lots of snacks.
Cha-ching. What's it called?
Grand Floridian Cafe.
Go check out the menu. Grand Floridian Cafe. And there's a little sneak peek at the menu. Oh, here's a barcode for you guys. There you go. QR code. Scan it if you want to see the menu. Hello. Oh, travel vlog.
Wow.
Look at these villas. There's a villa there. And then we stayed. Oh, there's a random Winnie there. And then we stayed in this villa over here. This was the villa we stayed at.
Wow! It is one of the villas that they offer. Big Pine Key is where we stayed at. Most members be living here.
Oh, that's nice.
This is where our room was located at.
Where? Okay, go.
You know the Dua Lipa music video?
Nice. Exactly. It's actually it. There you go. Oh yeah, this is where we stayed. Oh, that, yep. Okay, very nice. Yeah, I think Dua Lipa's safe.
That's all, folks.
I mean, that's pretty much it. It's cool. I like it. All right, let's go check the second floor monorail. We gotta go. Yeah. What Winnie, there's a pool. Or do the Dua Lipa video. You can keep doing it. Boop boop. Beep beep a doop. Yabba dabba 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 deep a doop. 3. No, no, wow. Wait, what? Are you balling? Are you playing basketball? Crossover. Joey. Crossover moves. Oh man. Oh, whoa, Winnie, you got moves. All right, let's go. Sailors always. Oh, Winnie wants to do thirst traps. You hear that? All right, let's go. Oh, there. That's Winnie's thirst trap. There you go. I don't know if you have the right idea of a thirst trap. You and I see very different thirst traps. I like it. It's a new style, new wave.
My Attack on Titan face.
Oh, let's see. Throwback.
Which elevator will you take? Number 1 or number 2? I can't hear you. Great job. You picked 1.
Winnie hasn't eaten yet. Short circuiting.
Hi, I'm Dora.
Hey, I'm Dora.
As a kid, I really wanted to do this.
Bibbidi bobbidi boutique. What? Touch the door?
No, get dressed up in one of the
Oh,
dresses.
okay. I was like, damn. Milestone complete.
Watch me. More stuff.
There you go. I mean, that was pretty good. Wow. Impressive. Here's. Oh, Winnie got some private tour.
The resorts within this compound.
So what are the stops?
Grand Floridian, Polynesian, parking, and transfer section, and Magic Kingdom, and Contemporary.
Ooh, look at that thing go. Look at you go. All right, Winnie, let's go. Let's get out of here. Bye-bye. Bye.
That's the Grand Floridian, everyone. We are going to be headed for lunch and then to our next resort. See ya. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Whoa.